Hi you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Vicky, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making an origami lotus flower. So this is what it looks like. Just show you the top there as well. And it is really easy to make. All you need is a piece of paper, and then what we'll do is we'll go through step by step for you so that you guys can follow me along. If you like origami, you can always check out some of the other origami videos that we've already done. So you can do how to make a chatterbox, you can make a Christmas tree, you can make a boat as well. So if you like the boat one, I'll put a link just up here. So if you just press on that one, you'll be able to take you over and show you how to make an origami boat. And then you can make a competition and see which one is the best. So let us move into the video and making. But if you like this video, of course, give it a good thumbs up and subscribe just below, and we'll go and start some making. It is origami time. So all you guys need is a piece of paper and a pair of scissors. So this is how the lotus flower looks already. So this is what we're going to be making. So I'm going to use this bright pink paper. I've got my piece of paper and a pair of scissors. So let's make a start. What you need to do, just bring the corner down to the bottom there. So what we're going to do is just make sure the piece of paper is square. Just put that fold in. And then we're going to chop along this line. So this bit can be got rid of now because we don't need that one. We just need this square of paper here. So we know it's an exact square now. So we've already done one fold. We just need to fold it in the opposite direction over to the other corner. Lovely. Open it back out again. What we're going to do now is we're going to take each corner and put it towards the middle of the piece of paper, just where the point is. Making sure they all line up. So just make sure all your creases are well done. Lovely. What we're going to do now is we're going to do exactly the same. We're going to bring the corner over to the middle all the way around. There we are, so now we've done that, just fold down all the edges once again, and then we're going to turn this piece of paper over, and we're going to do exactly the same again, bringing the corners over to the middle. It's a bit tougher this time because of the thickness of the paper. And that final piece, there we are, it all comes together. Just pressing those edges down once again. So now we've done that and we've folded all the edges over, we're going to open that back up again. We're going to just turn it over, and then what we're going to do is we're going to open up the flaps, but we're going to put a little fold in. So we're going to put a little centre fold here. There we are. You can see that, so that's the overlap. We're going to do this all the way around. So it should look like this now. So it should have that square and then the other square then as well. We're going to turn this over, and then what we're going to do is you're going to fold these bits into the middle. So this will start producing, what this will do now is it will start producing these corners here. I'm just going to bring those in. That's it. Lovely. I'm just going to curve off the corners. Just going to bring those in a little bit. Perfect. Lovely. So that is starting to look like this one here. But what we need to do next is we need to turn it over again. We need to bring these pieces over, just like that. And then we're going to pinch the bend and then bring these up and give them a slight bend over. That's it. And we're going to just do the same all the way around. Bend that up, pull it in, and then turn the top over as well. And there we are, we have our lotus flower. There we are, you can see they all look very, very similar there. Well done guys, you've done brilliantly. I hope you've managed to keep up. And you have made yourself an amazing lotus flower through origami. So well done folks. You've followed the steps and you've got there, which is great. If you haven't quite got there on this first go, you can always play it again from the beginning and follow step by step by step, and hopefully you will get it by the end. So well done guys. If you've liked the video, of course give it a nice big thumbs up and subscribe just below. What we're trying to do is get to 100 subscribers, which would be absolutely amazing, and it's all down to you guys. So I just make the content, and you guys, if you like it, then you know you guys are the ones who subscribe, which is great. If you like origami, there is an origami playlist on my channel. So what I'll do is I will put a link to it just below for you, and I'll put it at the end as well. So I hope you've enjoyed. So I will see you guys next week for another video, and I will be online from 6 through to 6:30. So for half an hour when this video comes live, I will be on there replying back to comments as well, so make sure you put those comments in. And I'll see you next week. Bye!